Want to master the perfect pull-up? Yearning to conquer that elusive exercise that's the epitome of strength, control, and athleticism? Well, today is your lucky day. As we delve deep into the mechanics of the pull-up, breaking it down step by step to help turn this dream into a reality. The pull-up, a simple yet complex exercise, involves the entire upper body, targeting the back, arms, and shoulders. It's a staple in any fitness enthusiast's routine, and for good reason. It not only develops muscular strength and endurance, but also hand grip strength and core stability. Begin with a solid grip. Reach up and grasp the bar with your hands slightly wider than shoulder width apart. Keep your palms facing away from you. This, my friends, is called an overhand grip, and it's the starting point of your pull-up journey. Next, hang there, just let your body dangle. Feel the weight of your body secured by the strength of your grip. This is the dead hang, and it's an important starting point for each repetition. Now engage those muscles, pull your shoulder blades down and back, tighten your core, and imagine pulling the bar down towards you. This isn't just a matter of hauling yourself up. It's about control, precision, and engaging the right muscles. Ready for the fun part? Pull yourself up. Push those elbows down towards the floor and lift your body until your chin clears the bar. Remember to breathe, exhaling as you exert effort. It's a tough move, but the satisfaction of hoisting your body up is worth every bit of struggle. Finally, lower yourself down with control. Don't just drop like a rock. This is the eccentric or lowering phase of the movement, and it's just as important as the pull-up itself. So, what are the key points to remember about pull-ups? 1. Start with a solid overhand grip. Your hands should be slightly wider than shoulder width apart, and your palms should face away from you. 2. Begin each rep from a dead hang. Just let your body dangle. This fully stretches your muscles and prepares them for the work ahead. 3. Engage the right muscles. This isn't a bicep curl. It's a full body move that requires the strength of your back, arms, and core. 4. Breathe. Exhale as you pull yourself up, and inhale as you lower yourself down. 5. Control is key. Don't rush the movement. Pull yourself up with control and lower yourself down with the same level of control. Pull-ups may seem intimidating at first, but with practice, they become a testament to your strength and determination. So, take these steps, apply them, and start your journey towards mastering the perfect pull-up. Remember, every pull-up you do, every bit of effort you exert brings you one step closer to becoming the strongest version of yourself. And that, my friends, is the true beauty of the pull-up.